Welcome to Wildlife Realms. Meet the Cone Snail, a creature as beautiful as it is deadly. Hiding beneath coral sands, this snail hunts like a sniper. It fires a harpoon-like tooth from its mouth, striking prey in milliseconds, injecting venom strong enough to kill a human in minutes. Its venom, called Conotoxin, contains over 200 neurotoxins, shutting down nerves and muscles instantly. One species, the geography cone, carries enough venom to kill 20 adults, and there's no known antivenom. Yet scientists are transforming this killer's venom into life-saving medicine, creating new painkillers and treatments for epilepsy and diabetes. Tiny, beautiful, and lethal, the cone snail is nature's hidden assassin. Stay wild with Wildlife Realms.